All right. Now, this question always come out in JAMB and WAEC exams, and this is a topic called sequence and series, and particularly this is a sequence and arithmetic progression question. Now, the question is the third and ninth terms of an arithmetic progression, that is an AP, are 9 and minus 27 respectively. So it means that the third term is 9, the ninth term is minus 27 of what? An arithmetic progression. And now we are asked to find the fifth term. To find the fifth what? We're asked to find the fifth term of such sequence. Now watch this. In an arithmetic progression, the nth term of a sequence is given by t sub n equals to a plus m minus 1 d. This is called the nth term of what? An arithmetic progression, an AP. This is the nth term. Now in the question they say the third term is what? Is 9. Now the third term of an AP is 9. What does that mean? It means that t sub 3 is equals to 9. And this is the same thing as a. You have a, which is the first term, plus n. N is what? 3. And you have 3 minus what? 1 multiplied by d. So therefore, we are going to write this as a plus 3 minus 1 is 2 times d is 2d. And this is equals to what? 9. Let's call this equation 1. Now we'll go to the next one. The ninth term. Ninth term is what? The ninth term is what? Minus 27. And what does that mean? It means t sub 9, because in this case our n is what? 9, is equals to minus 27, and this is equals to a. We don't know our first term, we don't know the first term of this sequence, plus, open a bracket, our n, mind you, our n is what? 9. You have 9 minus 1, then multiply by d. Okay, so this is a plus, we have a plus, 9 minus 1 is 8, you have 8d, and this is equals to minus 27. So let's call this equation 2. All right, so you see it's forming some kind of simultaneous equation. So we're going to solve them. These are linear equations, so we're going to solve them simultaneously. So here you have, from our equation 1, you have a plus 2d equals to 9. That's our equation 1. Then we have a plus 8d equals to minus 27. That's our equation 2. Equation 1, equation 2. Okay, so if we subtract both equations, what happens? You see that a minus a goes out. I have 2d minus 8d gives us minus 6d. And this is equals to 9 minus 27. Minus is plus. So 9 plus 27 gives us 36, right? Gives us 36. So we write 36. So we're looking for d, which is a common difference. So you divide here by minus 6, and you do the same thing here, divide here by minus 6. So this cancels this. Minus 6 cancels minus 6. You're left with d. Okay, so we are going to say divide here. So you have that d is equals to 6 here is 1, 6 here is what? 6, and you have minus 6. So our d is equals to minus 6. Okay, so our d is equals to minus 6. Now we are going to get our a, which is the first term. So we can use any of the equation. Okay, we can use any of the equation to find our a. So we say, suppose we use equation 1 from equation 1. I'm going to have that a plus 2d is equals to what? 9. And since our d here, our d is what? Minus 6, right? Our d is minus 6. So I'm going to have a plus 2 times minus 6 is equals to 9. So this is so here is a plus 2 times minus 6 is minus 12. We have minus 12 is equals to 9. Okay, so plus minus is minus, so I'm going to have a minus 12 is equals to 9. So if I take minus 12 outside, it becomes plus. So my a is equals to 9 plus 12. A is equals to 9 plus 12 is what? 21. Okay, so our A, which is first term, is 21. Our D is what? Minus 6. So the question is to find the fifth term. Find the fifth term. So we're still going to use our formula of nth term of an AP, which is T sub n equals to A plus m minus 1 multiplied by what? D. Okay, so since we're looking for fifth term, that is when n is 5. So this is T sub 5 is equals to A, which is 21 plus 5 minus 1, then multiply by D, and our D is what? Minus 6. Our D is minus 6. So our fifth term is equals to 21 plus 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 times minus 6. 4 times minus 6 will give you minus 24, right? Minus 24. So this is equals to 21. This times this is what? Minus 24, right? You have minus 24. So this is equals to, you have 21 minus 24 gives us minus 3. So it means that the fifth term of this sequence is minus 3. So that's the solution to this. All right, if this is clear, do well to like, follow for more videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.